Now you can see in this lecture I will discuss about the fulfillment of human aspirations. In previous lecture I will discuss about the basic human aspirations. Now the subject is the understanding the human being comprehensively, human aspirations and its fulfillment, and the code is ROE 074. Now Now, so how we can fulfill the human aspiration? You can see the understanding, the right understandings that builds up a strong relationship, and the method of fulfillment, difference between three states of mind and the current scenario. So we will discuss all these now. The basic requirement, fulfillment of human aspiration, the right understanding. It is the first priority towards realization of aspiration. Right understanding is the necessary to verify that all our desires are naturally accepted. Now, you can see in today education, we cannot say it adequately empower students to think independently. So, the graduates are confused about their career. So, the jobs they are getting are intellectually and mentally unfulfilling. So if we provide the value education in such that it not only student can learn a skill, but they learn about what is the ability or develop the ability to decide what to do or why do. So this is known as right understanding. And second one is relationship. Nature cannot build in isolation. He has to build relationships. Right understanding help him to develop healthy relation and also to know the expectation involved in the relationship. Next one is the physical facility, that is the basic requirement of human aspiration, like clothes, shelter, safety, as we have already discussed in previous lecture. Now you can see right understanding. I need it in myself. I need to study myself, the human being and the entire existence of which I am a part. So right understanding, once can define in the terms of relationships as well as physical facility. So how we can explain the relationship? Relationships are with the human beings, and if the mutual fulfillment occurs, then we can say there is fulfillment of the human aspiration. So for the fulfillment of human aspiration, a strong relationship between the person and the human beings is required. Now next one is the physical facility. Physical facility comes from the nature, as we have already discussed the physical facility like food, shelter. So these are comes from the nature, and these are required for the mutual prosperity. So relationships as well as physical facility in the right understanding is required for the fulfillment of human aspiration. Now the method of fulfillment, we have decided 4 levels: the self, family, society, nature. There are various problems in these levels. So method to fulfill the human aspiration by understanding living harmony at all levels of our existence. So first, we have to understand the human aspiration at these levels, and how we can fulfill uh, the human aspirations. So contribution this fulfillment for the purpose of other growth is ultimate success. Now uh, presently, as we look around, we find most of the people in the following two categories. I have already discussed these three